This is the exact same message, delivered by me and also not by me. If you're a CFO who needs 12 languages by Friday and hates camera, this could scale your voice across the whole group. Yes, I did that exactly with an AI avatar in HeyGen. And then can be powerful, but also risky. We'll weigh the pros and cons, set anti-fraud rules, and I'll show you step by step how to make one in HeyGen. Then we'll watch the result together in this video. Hey, it's Soufiane. Today we'll build a presentation delivered by an avatar that you can use to deliver your quarterly results, for example. We'll cover when it helps a CFO, the risks you must manage, and a step-by-step tutorial you can copy. And yes, talking on camera is a totally different sport. I'm still learning, as you can tell from this very video. Be kind and drop your tips in the comment. Now hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Quarterly results, the all hands, where you rally the team around strategy, momentum, and what is next. In a perfect world, everyone stays with you. In reality, many drop off after a few seconds. You lose them with jargon, language, and most of us are not born actors. So here is the move. I record one clear message in my own words and tone, and the avatar carries it in 12 languages with clean subtitles and steady pacing. Sales in Madrid hears the same energy as finance in Frankfurt and ops in Casablanca. No guessing, they hear it in their language. Could I learn 12 languages? Maybe, in a decade. Or I can trust an AI avatar to translate the intent today and save my live energy for the Q&A, where the human moments matter. Here's why avatars are tempting. They are fast, you record once and scale to every region, without studios or repeat takes. The message stays consistent as well. With captions and translations, more people follow the story. But there's a trade-off. If the delivery feels robotic, trust drops. You also lose spontaneity. The little pauses, the eyebrow when a number surprises you. And if you use avatars for everything, people start wondering what leadership is hiding. It is also a cultural change. You need to bring the organization with you. So my rule, treat it like espresso. It's powerful, use it when you need a kick, but not at every hour. Quick reality check. If someone can copy my face and voice, they can try to push an urgent transfer. So if you use an avatar, make trust visible. Add a watermark to every video and say it up front. Use your normal approvals. Don't try to skip anything. Comms and legal review before it goes out. And for payments and vendor changes, confirm on the second channel with the monthly code. No code, no cash. Train teams to spot deepfake signals and escalate when something feels off. No one is penalized for double checking. And keep red lines. Sensitive people topics and high-risk compliance issues stay human. The avatar scales clarity, but it does not replace leadership. So now let's try and build a presentation done by an avatar. The first step that you have to do is to create a custom avatar. Go to heygen.com and follow my lead. So we are here on heygen.com. Well, it can do a lot of things. You can do a photo to video, a quick avatar. You can even have interactive avatars, but I will leave that for another day. So here you can see that you can create many videos from different avatars. You have a video agent. And here what we will do is to create a new avatar. How can we do that? Well, the first thing that you have to do is see the pricing plans that are good for you. The free one already allows you to have 3 videos a month and 1 custom video avatar. So for most of you, it will be more than enough. Of course, if you want to go further, you can just go to the paying one, and you can also have a custom interactive avatar and your voice that will perfectly match your tone. So when it's done, let's continue in step 2. So now the step 2 is to create your own avatar. And for that, well, you just go to HeyGen as we were, and you go to the avatar section where you can decide to create an avatar from a picture, but of course the quality is less interesting, but you can do that from a video. There are a lot of instructions that you have to follow, but what's important is to have the right lighting, the right equipment, a video that's long enough, and you have to speak naturally and clearly. When you have a video that you can upload, well, it will start doing the work. You have to give your consent. That's an important point. So you have to record a video of yourself and speak by saying that sentence together with your camera. So it's a good step to confirm who you are. Of course, I won't do that in front of you because otherwise you will use my own voice. But when it's done, then your video is uploaded and it starts to detect your movements, your voice, and everything that's necessary to create a good video. So the avatar creation can take some time. So let's take a break while it's creating and have a coffee, and then we are back to our tutorial. Okay, now, so while we're waiting the avatar to be ready, and before I show you how to do that step by step, the real me has an important message for you. If you want to go deeper into frameworks like this, I offer a free 7-day email course called the Financial Storytelling Starter Pack. It's packed with real-world lessons like these. You'll get one short video a day for a week. Get it by going to thefinalcircle.com/starterpack. Link is in the description. And by the way, these videos were filmed by the real me, not an avatar, because it's me giving knowledge to you. So back to the video now. Okay, so now we are back. The avatar is created, I received the mail, but what's interesting now is that I want to create script for my avatar because I'm super lazy, and for that I will go to Copilot and generate a script from a work that I've already done based on Microsoft's latest quarterly results. So here my prompt must be clean and clear because I want to be sure that it's adapted for people who do not work in finance and that it will follow my 3-what structure. So you know that it can go quite fast. When I have my script, I can just copy and paste it in HeyGen. And that's what we will do right now. Okay, so now I'm back to HeyGen, and of course there are tons of things you can do, but I will directly look at my avatar. Well, I took another one because I want it to be in a shirt, and you can create a video. Of course, it will propose you directly a normal avatar, but you can use your own custom avatar. You will see that it will load quite fast. You can change the voice because you can adapt the voices according to different pores. So I have my own custom voice, but you can use the HeyGen library to see different languages, different accents. So I will take my own voice and I just copy paste my script and ask to generate. And you will see that it can take up some time. So let's again wait for it, but after a certain time the video is generated. So let's have a look at the result. So now my video is generated and I'm pretty stressed about what the result can be. So let's have a look.
Hi everyone. Thanks for taking a moment to listen in. I want to share how we closed the quarter and what it means for all of us.
It's exactly
this past quarter, we finished strong. Our revenue grew solidly,
this is free.
And Microsoft Cloud reached a new milestone over $46 billion in just 3 months, with Azure leading the charge. Copilot exactly and our AI services are gaining real traction, which shows that the work you've done to bring AI into our products is making a difference for customers everywhere.
It is impressive and creepy at the same time. But to distribute a clear message at scale, it works. So now let's say that I want to distribute the same video to the Spanish-speaking people of my group, for example, in Latin America, in Spain. So the first thing that I have to do is to translate the script to Spanish. Let's say that I've done that in Copilot. So here the script is now in Spanish. Okay, so now the video is ready. Let's have a look at the result and see what it gives in Spanish.
Hola a todos, gracias por tomarse un momento para escuchar. Quiero compartir cómo cerramos el trimestre y lo que significa para todos nosotros. Este último trimestre terminamos con fuerza.
Wow.
Nuestros ingresos crecieron sólidamente y Microsoft Cloud alcanzó un nuevo hito.
Let's stop here. And what's interesting, I do speak Spanish, although I have a Spanish accent rather than a Latino American accent. But here it's quite impressive, and I could do that with Chinese, Arabic, Japanese, and so on. So very impressive here. Avatars will not replace leadership, but they can scale your message when speed and consistency matter. Use them for multilingual broadcasts, for trainings, and for pre-reads. Keep the human for the messy conversations. Put guardrails in place to protect your teams, and if you are shy in camera today, that's fine. Use the tool while you build the skill. Test it, post your first avatar presentation privately to your team, and iterate again. Then tell me how it felt. Powerful? Weird? Both? Well, comment below your own experience and what you want to improve. I would gladly answer to your questions in the comments here below.